Hi, my name's Mavis Kirk. This is an oral presentation using ScreenPal to explain my project proposal and corresponding material. I've completed a project proposal that's an online math teaching plan where I use gamification as a motivation for learning. I've completed a curriculum program to include learning math online, and I've completed introductory documents to read, YouTube videos for reinforcement of the items that have been read as part of the introduction, and Google Forms for evaluation techniques. Then I've added the gamification with a Microsoft PowerPoint project with branching, which allows the learner to use the gamification feature by covering the slides with a brief topic on the reading, where students can click a continue button to go to the next appropriate slide where they can answer questions on the topic. At that point, they'll be given choices to answer the questions, and if they click the correct corresponding choose button that gives the correct answer, they will move on to the next topic. If they choose the incorrect choose button, the one with the wrong answer, then they will be directed via the PowerPoint to go back and read briefly on the topic just covered. At that point, they'll be given the chance to go to more questions on the topic to select the correct answer via the choose button until they get the topic mastered. That is part of gamification. In addition, I've created a question answer link on the app Kahoots, where students will answer questions on the topic, and if they answer correctly, they will get points for getting the answer correct, and more points if they answer the question correctly more quickly. Then they'll continue on to a new question, and points will be established accordingly. This will keep track based on the players in the course who are playing against each other, establishing points totals and a leaderboard. This is part of gamification, which will motivate students to learn the topics, complete questions more quickly to get extra points, and establish a leaderboard so they're motivated to do better, answering the questions correctly, thereby enforcing the material. The curriculum and design was tested on a test learner who has experience with online learning, and they gave me perspective on the learning of my topic. Overall, I learned a lot completing this project. It allowed me to see that completing a multi-step project proposal based off of information I learned in my degree and the learning that I experienced myself, that it has helped me to better inform potential students on how best to cover a topic and learn themselves, all while motivating them in learning using gamification. So my first slide is a slide that I created on YouTube, or a video I created on YouTube, and it has closed captioning for those who have hearing difficulty and my recorded voice for visually impaired learners. The next slide is a sample assessment Google form, which I've created. This is a slide that shows the gamification using the Microsoft PowerPoint with branching, which allows the slides to move to the correct next slide based on a correct answer or an incorrect answer. The Kahoots game, this is used to motivate learners using gamification as they can gain points toward their grade. Things that went well were the material presented in this final paper were things I have been studying in my degree, so the compilation of ideas came naturally. Lessons learned were that preparing a full presentation takes a lot of dedication and time to make sure everything is perfect. Things to recommend for future are studying topics on AI, artificial intelligence. Thank you.